Well. What's good, everybody? Good to see you. Good to see you. I'm Carolina Keith. This is Crypto After Dark, and this is my microphone attempting its best to try to fall over and stuff. What the hell is going on with the microphone here? Whatever, bro. What's up, everybody? Glad to see you here. This is Crypto After Dark. This is where we dig deep on the charts. This is a grown-up stream. If you can't handle it, walk away. Remember, this is about making money here. It's charts, no nonsense. I've got the new page pulled up right here. I just got through with. Haven't even debuted it yet. If you would, please, hit like button. Hit it. Comment while you're here. That'd be awesome, wouldn't it? While you're here, subscribe, because everybody needs to sub to this. Why not? You're missing the good shit. Don't miss the good shit. And hit the notification bell real quick so you don't miss stuff, because I like having y'all here, okay? I like my people being here with me. I love my people being here with me. So, brand new website. Just got it done. 786unlimited.com. Let me type that in for the stream over here. 786unlimited.com. Bam. So, I'll be putting up the levels of different classes that I'm going to be giving. I've been giving out classes. I booked almost 90 over the last couple of days. We're going to have those up on the site soon. They're not ready yet, so bear with me on that, okay? But as you see, new site up. This will be the little area where you click. We're working on that. All the previous videos are going to be here, so you can jump on and watch the old streams. I'll put some posts up every once in a while. There'll be contact information and all that good jazz. Haven't finished that yet. Bear with me, okay? Sweet. Now, tonight, we're going to talk a little bit about metals. Well, why? That's not crypto. Man, listen. We're here to make money, okay? Crypto is my thing, but don't get it twisted. I'll buy anything that's a good deal, okay? Anything that I see I can make money on, I'm with it. Before we do this, let's see who all's in here. Real quick, like Beverly. Looky here. Miss Beverly on the top of the list. The Queens. Ron Poteet, good to see you. Angel, good to see you. Ali, smiling with the shades on. Tremaine the Great, good to see you, brother. Ron McDonald, what's up? Captain Frank, good to see you, my friend. Cuzzo. Rip the shirt open for Super Cam. Super Cam. There we go. That felt good. Fuck the haters. I don't even care. Assassins in the building like Cam Newton, baby. That's right. Hey, what's up, Avatar? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. My idol, dude. Avatar's my idol, man. He's everything that I want to be. I promise he is. Ashley Vandermeer, another queen in here. Good to see you. Ignacio, what's up? FOMO Ducats. I looked it up. It's Ducats. Good to see you, brother. Kelly Slade, another queen. Good to see you. Tremaine dropped a 50 bomb. Yo. Man, I'm out of Jim Beam. Would you believe that? I ran out of Jim Beam. I don't even know who I am anymore. So, let's just pour a drink. How about it? Ooh. That good thump. All right. Now, I've got to go to a very expensive place tomorrow to work, so I can't get too hammered tonight. I know you guys are going to try to do it. I know what you're doing. So I'll save a bunch of drinks for Tuesday, because like I said, I got important shit to do tomorrow, and I can't be hungover. So this is for Tremaine. Good to see you, brother. Thank you. Woo! Hercules Mulligan. Papa Nick, good to see you, brother. Mullet, as always. Tanvir Khan, what's up? Samson Simpson, good to see you, brother. Tony Ruiz. Jesus Christ, 100 bones. My man. Thank you, dude. For Tony. Tony's an absolute goat. He is lead dog on a lot of nodes too. Don't get it twisted. He's the node savage. In case you didn't know. He's also the NFT savage. We've been flipping NFTs on the backside. Ooh, y'all didn't know, did you? Whew. Ha. Gonna have me breathing fire, Tony. Emmanuel, good to see you. Danny Deep Pockets. What's up, Danny Deep Pockets? 619 shot. Not gonna do it though. What's up, Pops, Electric, Ken, Yvonne, another queen in here. Man, we got a lot of women showing up. That's awesome. Abraham, good to see you. King Node in the building. Twerk music. I'm not gonna play any music. I got a lot of bad reviews for the music, so I'm gonna try not to do it. Brian. Okay, fine. This is some stuff Mullet sent me. I'm bullish on pre-nodes, Bruce Wayne. Bullish. Some stuff Mullet got me. Thank you. Whew. That's that organic whiskey. Yowza. All right. Whew. It's going to be a long night already. I could tell. Jim Slady. Jim Slim Shady. That's a dope name. I'm here for Bulk Strong. What's up, my friend? I love the music. I know. It's just, I think I had like 13 people message me and say they didn't like it. And I don't want to make nobody angry. So it's all good, bro. No big deal. So why do I bring up metals? Well, metals are important for a reason. All right. That metals have been around for a really, 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 really long time. All right. People have been trading gold forever. Gold has been the #1 currency since the beginning of taking time to come up with a currency. Gold has always been a store of value. People will trade for gold. People will use gold. People will cherish gold. And it's not just gold. People realize that other precious metals existed like silver, platinum, palladium, nickel, copper, all these other metals, also lithium and other things like that. People realized that all these metals were precious and that they had more value than anything else, than random just dirt or random just ore. They realized that this stuff could trade and become a currency. If you're trading something, hey, guess what? It's a currency, okay? And what do I mean by trading? I mean, when you go to the store and buy groceries, you use money. You traded money for groceries, okay? That's the way it works. It's not that complicated. So I want to show you some things about metals here. Mullet was talking to me about this and actually put this on to me. And I was like, oh, wow, look at that. So we look back in history on metals. Let me find hey, Mullet, what was the gold chart you used that had all the data on it? Had like all the gold data. That way I can put the most possible up here because I don't know which one it was. This one only goes back to 98. Share it to me, Mullet, when you get a chance, brother, and I'll use it. Either way, what I wanted to show you was the moving averages. For the first time in a long time, all the moving averages line up perfectly on the monthly chart for gold. What does that mean? Well, we have, I'll take the candles off, the 8 and 21 EMA, perfect. Then we have the 50, 100, and 200 moving averages all in line together. They're all perfectly in line. They're not out of order. From smallest to largest, in order. This is important. Why? Because this hasn't happened in a while since June of 2020. And at June of 2020, when this thing crossed into a bullish thing, you've seen how much the chart went up. I'm anticipating that this continues to go up. There's more to it than that, though. Okay? It's more to it than that. If we look at this pattern, this is a classic cup and handle. What do I mean by a cup and handle? We had this big cup formation at the bottom, and we have a handle forming at the top. XAUSD. Right, I know this. I know it's that one, Mullet, but I was wondering which exchange you're talking about it. Like I got the same thing too. I just didn't know which exchange because there's so many different exchanges for gold. I didn't know which one you were using that had the most data. It's not Owanda. That one doesn't have much at all. Either way, not the point. Point is I wanted to show you this big chart pattern. This cup and handle is extremely bullish. And there's a difference between a maybe cup and handle and an actual cup and handle, okay? An actual cup and handle, as you see here, is over support. There's support right here. This thing made a new all-time high and then came and sat back on the old all-time high support zone. Bounced off a couple times. This is on the monthly chart, by the way, everybody. Bounced off of support a couple times. Held the 21 EMA. Has gotten back over the 8 EMA now. All the indicators are starting to try to turn up. The RSI's bounced up. The MACD's trying to make a turn here. Can it? We'll see. We don't know yet. Okay, we'll find out. But the point is, it's a very bullish look. It's under just 4x. Let me see, Tony. Let me see. Well, that one isn't up there at all, Tony. Either way. TVC gold. Thank you, Matt. That'll work. That ain't on there. There we go. Should have just typed in gold. That'd been easier, wouldn't it? Bam. Now we're talking. Thank you. I'm just an idiot. Don't y'all mind me. Going all the way back to the history of gold. One time, our moving averages lined up. Look what happened. We had a big sprint up from $20 to $36, damn near double. The next time they lined up, we had this massive run in 1970 when the gold standard went away. We went from $36 to, Jesus, all the way up here to $376. Not bad. You see how parabolic that gold chart was? And now, back in 2004, the same thing happened again. We had the bullish cross happen. We had green, purple, yellow, blue, red, all in order again. Moving averages all facing upwards again. Here we are again, folks. Same situation. Green, purple, yellow, blue, red, all in order. We have a bullish cup and handle pattern. Typically on the cup and handle pattern, you have this bullish cup. The handle tests support, which I just showed you it was on. Okay, that was a terrible line. Let me draw another one right there. It tests support. After it tests support, what happens? Hey, everybody, there's the great news. You get a move up. Typically, it bounces on the top of support and goes up some more. Could go faster, could go slower. I don't know. That's not the point. I know China Matt is the absolute GOAT, bro. Right there, China Matt, put the actual ticker up. FX_IDC gold. Thank you. So, after that, you're going to see this formation play itself the rest of the way out. How do I know this is going to happen? Well, it's just kind of in the cards. You're seeing the government print tons of money, and as the more money the government prints, scarce things like gold that are hard to find, unlike a money printing machine, gold becomes more and more valuable because there's less of it. And the fact that there's less of it and more money being printed makes that gold that's out there even more valuable. All right? Even more valuable. Now, let's go a little farther down over here. We see that currently we have this trend line. No matter how you want to draw this, it's obviously a little consolidation zone over here, clearly. But we go down to the daily, we can see it a little bit better, okay? I'm going to move these moving averages out of the way because they're going to get all sloppy looking in here. There we go. We'll just use the 8 and the 21 plus the trend line. As you see, we've bumped the trend line several times and haven't broken it yet. We've tried to break it, but it didn't quite get there. If we look at our other indicators, like our MACD and our RSI, they are trending up. Trending up. Very good. Like that. We look at our Bollinger Bands, trending up, widening actually. Let's look at the Ichimoku Cloud. Screaming high. May actually pull back a little bit and bounce down on this trend line. And let's see if around over here in December, we get a push up on gold. I think that's going to happen. Could happen sooner, but I think it's going to be in December. If I look at the pivots, we're over R3. Everything is screaming good. That tells me we're bound for a pullback. As you see, we're over the pivot on the weekly. Weekly chart looks really, really good. Just needs to get over this trend line right here. You got targets on the weekly of $2,047. Shoo! How about that? That's pretty damn good, my guy. That's pretty damn good. Hasn't been up that high since September or August of 20. It's almost a year and some change. Working on a year and a half pullback. Sucks, right? Well, that's the way investments go sometimes. You could have been here playing this the whole time, but you weren't charting. You were just holding, right? Yeah, well, you could have been doing better. So, I expect gold to make a move here, and I expect it to make a move by first quarter of 2021, I think. We're dead under the 50 fib. As soon as we break this, we're good to go. We just haven't broken it yet. Indicators, all bullish. Everything is bullish here. Just got to wait it out a little bit, okay? I think gold's going to be big. On to silver. Let's see if I can get the same one. Let's see if I can do TVC. Silver. Yep. Silver per ounce. There we go. Similar thing on silver here. Silver has been down for a really long time. It's been getting the hell kicked out of it. And slowly but surely, it's trying to fight back. You had this hard fall. Seems to have found support in here and moved sideways. You had a huge wick, but it popped right back up. And you got the same situation where you had a trend line. And then this one actually broke, unlike the other one. Okay? This trend line actually broke. And when it broke, it bounced off of it perfectly. And it started moving up afterwards. And that's on the monthly scale. This is a clear uptrend. You had a higher high. Right here. You had a higher low. You had a higher high. And now you've kind of started bouncing around a little bit. But overall, you had a high and a low and a high. Now we're making a higher low down here. Another higher high up here would be great. What do our pivots say? Stuck under R1, but $29. It's fully possible here. Crypto Draco. What's up, my guy? Good to see you, brother. With the damn Clint Eastwood avatar. I forgot about that. Love those strong all-time charts. You're the man. Keith is the only tea I watch now. Thank you, brother. Now, I don't want you to be the only one I watch. I want people to understand that there's more than just me out there. I'm just one simp in the world. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just an idiot on the internet making a fool of himself. Drunk. Not really. I mean, I think I'm pretty good at what I do, but I have a whole team behind me. It's not just me, okay? It's nothing I do by myself. It takes a team, okay? There's a lot of people behind the scenes making things happen. Let's have a drink. That's some smooth stuff. Real quick, people are talking to me over here. Let me see what y'all are saying. My bad. What's up, Alvin? Yeah, I found out about precious metals. Damn tweaker stole my catalytic converter. Bro, a platinum and palladium that are in your catalytic converter? Absolutely, dude. They will eat you alive. What lifters for an LM753? Don't want too much noise. Questionable reviews on the LS7 replacements. I bought... Oh, God. The ones I bought are on the channel under the engine build videos. I want to say I bought comp ones. They were only like $130 for the whole set. And they're going to be a little loud, but so long as you stick with hydraulic, you're going to be quiet. They'll take a little bit of time to pump up. But as long as you don't go flat tap it with a flat tap it cam, you're going to be way quieter. Now, the thing is, the hydraulic cam ain't going to rev as high, and you got more moving parts. The flat tap it will rev much higher, okay, and make more power. But it's way more wear and tear, where the hydraulic stuff won't really wear out. Well, it'll wear out. It'll take forever to wear out. All right. Sorry, Tim. It took me so long. My bad, dude. You got to give me a second. Sometimes I get to talking and I won't shut up. I'm sorry. Hopefully you're still here and you heard that. Oscar DOG simp of the year, bro. Hey, Angel Ponce. Yeah, man. You're a goat too, brother. Don't get it wrong. I seen the videos. This shit was hilarious. But I'm the prettiest. No, I ain't the prettiest, dude. I'm getting old, dude. I got to start working out, man. I'm feeling a little embarrassed about myself. I'm turning into Bit Boy over here. Oh, I made a joke out of myself. I charted my sex life and it's bearish. Any advice? Absolutely, bro. Total advice. Come to Vegas when we go to Vegas. That'll fix that for you. And hell, Ponce, brother. Thank you so much, dude. That's hilarious, bro. Damn it. He seems like a fun guy to hang out with. He seems like he'd be fun hanging around the damn roulette table. Quit charting in bed. Dude, well, it's stupid. My advice, Angel, is a razor. Jeremy's stupid, dude. And hell, liquidate your holding. Bottom feeder said. Bro, who cares? You're paid. I can only do oil changes. Fair enough. Yeah, can't wait to meet more assassins. Absolutely, dude. So before I did any crypto here, I would fiddle around with my car, and I decided to make car videos because I felt like a lot of people out there weren't doing it, and it made me angry that people had to spend $100,000 to make a car go fast. And I said I can do that way better. I can do that with 10 grand or 5 grand. And so I started. I haven't finished because I started investing way more money than I had, and I got really hard into investments here, and I haven't stopped since. So, all right. Where do I think silver's going to go long term? Again, we broke this trend line. That was great. That's wonderful and all. From there, we put a fib on it. We're looking, sitting on the 50 fib is amazing, by the way. We get up over $28, which is what I said it could be a target of. You're looking at 36 and then 73.90. Oh my God. Maybe 61st. Okay. 60, 73, and 90 for silver. Shoo. That's expensive ass silver, bro. I hope y'all been saving up because silver ain't playing around either. All these precious metals are going to continue to go up so long as the government keeps printing money and acting stupid. Okay. Yeah, Jeremy said it right there. Ratchet Reba will live. That's her name. That's the car's name, Ratchet Reba. We got assassins from all trades. You're damn right we do. Industrial HVAC guy turned investor, turned chartist. Terry's got his own business. My man does drainage. We got Mullet, who used to, I'm not going to say what his job is, but he works a trade too. Electric Ken's an electrician. Nomad's a linesman. We got people from all over, man. Frank's a carpenter. We got guys from all over. Every trade, okay? All kind of stuff. So let's move on to platinum. I'll just do platinum. There we go. It's way easier if you just type in platinum. How about that? Instead of looking for a ticker. This one looks similar to silver. The thing is, it's more held down and hasn't managed to break that high yet. All right. If we pull a fib on it here, you'll see what I'm talking about. Where we're still under the 50 fib, where we were over the 50 fib on silver. So it may take a little bit longer to get there, but you do see that we had a low and a high and a higher low. I expect a higher high here, but there's nothing promised, okay? If you look at the indicators, they're all kind of sideways or knotted up. This one's moving a lot slower, okay? Because platinum is expensive already. It's not like silver that's pretty cheap. Platinum's already kind of high because the platinum's even more scarce than silver. So again, I like the future for platinum here. I like it to get at least back up to $1,300 to $1,700 here for platinum. May take a while, okay? Metals don't move fast, but cool thing about metals is they trade at 1,000 to 1. Unlike crypto, for most of us, it's 1 to 1 or 5 to 1, maybe 20 to 1. You can trade platinum at 1,000 to 1. Step your game up. Palladium. I don't know if this is going to have it on here. I might have to go over here. I might have to go over here to the watch list, see if I can find it. XPT is platinum. I found a palladium chart earlier. I'll find it later. It's no big deal. Let's look up nickel. All right. Looking at nickel futures, this is a very clear uptrend. This is the same chart that I was looking at earlier. It's a massive rising wedge that is clearly parabolic. Every indicator is still pointing up on the monthly chart. It's still over the 821 EMA. All metals seem to be trending up, don't they? Metals are a hedge against inflation, everybody. Metals are a hedge against the market going down. When that happens, people go to precious metals because they hold their store of value. Again, you're seeing signs here, everybody. Oh, thank you, DOG. PA:NMX. PA:NMX. Palladium, thank you. Palladium, PAX. PA:NMX. See, that doesn't pull up. I can just do palladium futures though, and just do continuous contracts. That's way easier that way, I guess. I mean, these are option contracts, but it's the same thing. It doesn't matter. Or bonds. You can buy bonds. So same thing. Monthly charts on a parabolic uptrend. Palladium going nuts. $2,161 for palladium. Isn't that wild, everybody? My God, for an ounce of palladium, it's $2,161. Precious metals, everybody. Precious metals. For the first time in a long time, this thing just recently dipped under the 821 on the monthly because it went up so far, so fast. It's finally retraced a little bit. Now, how long is this retrace going to last? Hard to say. Hard to say, you know what I'm saying? But, again, huge parabolic uptrend. We'll look at copper. Same thing. It costs more to mint a penny than it's worth in its actual value. Crazy, right? Right? Crazy. So, same problem here. Parabolic uptrend. You got a trend line up here at resistance right here. You broke it. Now you're at support. Very nice. Huge cup and handle. Just like the other chart you saw on gold. Come back to support and go. Copper is not going to stop, everybody. So, if you're saving your copper, it's great. It's a good time because you're going to be able to cash that bitch out at the scrapyard for a whole lot more than you used to, okay? Copper looks great to me. It's going to keep going, in my opinion. What's up? Let me read some more messages here. I can only do oil. Fair enough. When's the next Vegas trip? We're working on it. We ain't there just yet, Pop. We'll get there. I just play golf now, Mullet said. That man's a successful ass investor. How's that sound to y'all? I just play golf now. Damn right, bro. Funny that you say that. I actually got this name and put my name into a pimp name generator on MySpace. I guess I'm an old pimp now. You're stupid. Oh my God, that's pretty good. Oh boy. XTC. Yeah, we'll get to XTC right here in a minute. Can you leverage metals? Absolutely you can. 1,000 to 1, Justin. That's what's crazy about metals is you can put them on the Forex on Hugo's Way or Trader's Way or any other Forex platform, and you can leverage trade metals for a really, really high level. Keith had said. Never mind. No problem. We're supposed to get a beer, no man. Ha! Well, you got to see us in Vegas, Matt. We're going to be in Vegas again next year, brother. We're working on the time, working on the logistics. We're going to be there. We've already done it once. We will do it again. I'm not like the other crypto people who talk a big game and don't do it. We actually make shit happen here. 63 people on the stream. What's up, everybody? I'm Keith. If you would, go hit like and subscribe and all that good jazz, because the more you do that, the more people who show up. And we want all the people we can to show up because we want to try to learn as much as we can, okay? What have we talked about so far? Gold, silver, bronze, copper, nickel, palladium, platinum. Everything but palladium is on an uptrend. Palladium's going to roll over here, maybe pull back a bit. Now, let's get over to our node charts because everybody's asking. Tuned SI, strong? Absolutely. Thanks for your channel from Twitter. Thank you, brother. We're going to get ready to look at these node charts right now. But first, let me get something to drink. And not just liquor because I've got to hydrate, okay? Ooh. All right, hang on. One thing real quick. Real quick. Hold on. Tick, 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 tick. Hold on. I got a lot of people messaging me. Hold on. Whoo! That was close. Okay, good deal. Hail Hydra, Oscar says, bro. Hydra. Hydra's been in the mix for a lot of other things going on too, which has been really interesting, man. To hear Hydra get talked about with the other big ones, and that was something that a lot of people talked about. So let's jump into Strong. So lately, Strong has been in a downtrend. What do we mean by a downtrend? Well, it topped out at $1,200, exactly like we said would happen right here at this stream. We said right here, $800 first, blew through $800, and went straight to $1,200. From $1,200, we said, hey, this is a This is a whiskey. I saw whiskey pop up right there. Who's ready? Who's about ready to reinvest some tax returns? I ain't getting nothing back this year, bro. So anyway, it went straight to $1,200, and we said, hey man, take your profits. Some people did and they listened. Some people didn't. However, from there we've pulled back, and we pulled back to one of our previous lines. We pulled back to support here. Now we had a confirmed sale on November 6th, where we had our 8 cross downward through our 21 EMA. Right there. The green crossed downward through the purple. That was our confirmed sell signal. Also, we had 2 candles under the purple line right here. That was our also sell signal. So we got sell and short confirmed. Okay, so we got them both at the same time. This was our sign to get out at about $830 to $825. Okay, from there we're down to $627 now. So we've saved 25%. Now, the risk reward of that is how much did you really save, because you could have kept this in there and earned, or you could have rolled it over and made more nodes and earned. Well, I'm not making more nodes. I'm just cashing out at this point. So, you know what I'm saying? It's different for me. Page Master 11. Hello, just in time for strong. Good to see you. Good to see you. I don't think I am either, but for sure there's some people here that are. Right. Definitely, Matt. We should, man. No problem. Gala's still trying to move. Yeah, we'll look at Gala too. So the question has been, where do I think this stops? And it's been bouncing around this 650 range, 640 range, fiddling around 630, somewhere around in here. A lot of these candles have opened and closed right here. All the indicators are getting on their way down there. The RSI is nearly oversold, but not quite. So I think it might have a little bit left in it. The MACD is clearly going downhill fast. That's a sell MACD. That's super sell MACD. RSI's got a little bit of room. If it wants to come down some more, it can. That sucks to hear. Pivots. Yeah, you're under S1. Now, here's an interesting thing that's not being talked about is that tits moves are playing out, and as they're playing out, we didn't get any tests. We had 2 breaks right here. We had the 8 EMA cut through the 50, and then we had the 21 EMA cut through the 50 also. Neither time did the price react to those. These are unconfirmed crossings, meaning that we had no price action up there at them. And since they're unconfirmed crossings, I expect the price to come back here and to test in this area of those crossings, okay? This is a little bit too far, a little bit too fast, just the same way it went up, a little bit too far, a little bit too fast, okay? Now we've caught the 50 MA, 50 moving average, and we're catching some support there, which just so happens to be where this support line here is. I expect it to idle in this range for a bit, okay? If it goes down past this, that could get ugly. It could come all the way down to 525. There's a trend line here, this blue line. Okay, there's a trend line here. It could catch the trend line and ride on up with it, which I actually kind of expected to do, but that may take some time to happen. As I said, I kind of expected this to pan out the rest of the way for the rest of the year. Take some time to get itself together and get moving, okay? I'd like to see a double or a triple bottom here. So far we had one right here. We need another one here and another triple bottom over here somewhere. We haven't got that yet. I'm curious to see if that shows up, because if it does, that would be great. It hasn't. Let's watch this one day at a time. Everybody quit panicking and just, hey man, do your thing. Take your money, don't take your money, do your thing. But I like it hitting that 100 moving average, that blue line right there, that 100 MA. I like it hitting that. That's a good support level. You see what it did to the 50 MA, how it bounced off of it and moved up. I expect it to do the same thing off of that 100. And if it can hold it, great. If it can't, again, we're moving sideways here. So it looks bad right now. I think it's going to recover some. Okay. Let's see. Yep. We're not getting returns this year due to taking profits. Yep. RJ Lofthouse. Hey, Keith, keep up the solid work. Thank you, brother. Good to see you. Thank you for showing up. I appreciate you commenting and stuff. That's awesome. Pull 2X what my return will be in the week. We were at Vegas alone. And you made more than that on the slot machines, bro. I was forced to take profit for Vegas. Worked out well. Exactly, dude. It was a wonderful thing. I'm glad we did it. Your return will offset your bill. Excellently said. Lots of potential tits plays I've been seeing. You're damn right, no man. A lot of things went way too far, way too fast over the last couple of days, and those are going to rebound. High Water X Investor, good to see you. Evening, he said. Evening to you. Okay, so that was strong. Let's move on to the next one, which will be a lot of people ask me for Ohm. So let's look at Ohm. Okay. Got strong up here too. Pull up Ohm. I do not have any Ohm. Okay. I don't. Why? Well, it's not a buy. And high interest staking is just not my thing. I know it's a lot of people's thing. It's just not mine. I'm sorry. We all got our things that we do. I'm good with charts. High interest staking where you're telling me that I'm not supposed to sell. I don't like that. Okay. It's not my thing. So either way, Ohm failed to hold this wedge and is falling down fast. Okay. How fast? Well, a little too fast. In fact, it's got some time to go down here and it could get caught at the 100 moving average around 680. If it can't hold 680, then we're looking at 633. Either way, real fast, real far. And I don't like seeing that, okay? A little bit too much. I expect it to happen because it came up so far so fast and everybody thought they were going to be millionaires overnight. Didn't work out that way. A lot of leveraging happened up here. A lot of people lost money. This thing failed Sniper's Alley right here, which is the red box you see. The red box is the zone between 786 and 886. We failed that zone. We needed to hold that zone. Now, since we failed that one, we go to the next lower one. Move these lines out of the way and you can see what I'm talking about. This next zone is from 618 to 786. Now we have another zone. Again, there's things in the way. Again, there's a pivot. It's right there at the pivot line. It bounced off of it and failed. There's a 100 moving average in the way right here. It could bounce off this 100 moving average at 680. I expect some price action there. Ohm taking a beating right now. Indicators are all down. MACD's down and looking bad. RSI heading toward oversold. That's not a bad thing. Once it hits oversold, you got a chance to buy, okay? So use these things to your advantage. Don't get upset about a chart going down. Get upset that you didn't buy the bottom. Fair enough? Fair enough. All right, let's go to Presearch. Presearch holding its own here. Trying its best to hang. So what I was talking about happening for strong, where it came down to the 100 moving average, and it's kind of going to catch it here. You see, this one got caught by 1272, and strong failed 1272. However, Presearch went all the way to the 1618 line, and strong didn't. Okay, strong got stuck under here at 1414. So Presearch went a little farther and had a little bit better support on the way down. It's actually a good thing. So idling sideways, we want to see this move up. Hasn't done it yet. One thing at a time, okay? We just got this sell signal today for Presearch. We never got a long confirmation on our 821. We need that green line to cut up through the purple. Hasn't happened yet, okay? Once that does happen, we can get this back over top. Our moving averages will be lined up. You see that? Green, purple, yellow, blue, red, like I was talking about on gold. You had the same thing on Presearch daily. The correct order on the moving averages. Those are important. Presearch, again, I need to see it get over 27 cents. Then perhaps we can fight over 30. Those two are going to be big barriers, okay? They got to break first. Once they break, we can talk about the bigger numbers. Let's go on to Gala. All right, here we go with Gala. We had a clear consolidation here, and it broke that consolidation. Trend line here. Broke that consolidation, tested it with a red candle, and after that red candle, up we go. Where are we heading on Gala, everybody? Well, let's figure that out. It looks like we're in Sniper's Alley right now. Our indicators have room to keep going up if they'd like. We need to break this box here. This is not a sell. This is absolutely still a buy. Break this box at 13 cents and hold it. Then we can move up here towards 17, 19, and 22. Boy, Gala is on a move. Gala nodes are up to $29,000 right now. Whew. Man, I bought mine at $7,200. Not a bad take. If someone wanted to offer me $28,000, I may take it. What you know about that? $1,000 rebate? Again, everything's for sale, people. Everything's for sale. Yeah, I've heard about Stack OS. The problem I have with Stack OS is that the creators have a shit ton of the stash. and they're holding it. And I don't like that. I don't like supply and demand manipulation. Be careful. Be careful, everybody. Acro and Dot were buy signals last week. Is that turning around now? Let's look at those real quick, and then we'll do some more node charts. Yeah, Acro flipped the other way around real quick, didn't it? Certainly did. Failed 786, failed multiple moving averages. And see, it's gone a little too far, too fast. It blew through everything. This is a bit unsustainable right here. And what I mean is it blew through all these lines without crossing and testing them one by one. And when that happens, that tends to reverse. It may take a little time to do so, but I don't like how fast it's failed so rapidly, okay? I like this to rebound eventually. I don't think Acro's done. May take a little bit of time to get there, but I think it will. Looks like Algorand did back at 25 cents. Same situation where, and then it went way up after that. And Dot, I said Dot too, I'm sorry. There's Dot. Yep, Dot still in Sniper's Alley. It's better than Acro. It's at a higher level. Right here's support and resistance. We've fallen under it. We need to reclaim that red line, which is 886 as well, which just so happens to be the 50 moving average. This may take a bit, okay? It went real far, real fast. That was pretty much straight up in the air. This retrace was imminent. Yeah, look at all those indicators, how they rolled over. Yeah, that's all trending down, okay? Give this a bit. It needs to breathe. Yeah, I know, right, Beverly? 29 grand. We bought them at 7,000, remember? Ignacio said, you made money. I'll offer you 28,000 pennies, bro. Ah. Be honest, folks. Damn it. Be real honest. Hold up. What is he talking about? Be honest, folks. Damn it. Be real honest. Okay, Vinny is done. Happy Thanksgiving. Be safe. Well, hold up. Oh, yeah. Happy Thanksgiving to you, brother. You be safe, too. Listen, people like to drink on Thanksgiving, man. No drinking and driving, okay? Don't be Duke players. Don't be Duke players. Don't go drinking and driving thinking it's cool. I don't like that. Yeah, IOTA. Okay, Ken. All right, real quick, let's do Flux first. Our other node chart. Again, we went up to our 1414 and hit the take profit line. You know, this is one of these odd exchange charts with this big wick, and I don't like that, but it lined out. It really did. So we went down to 160, kind of popped back up. Stuck under $2 now. Where do I think it's going to go? I think it's going to go back to 160 again. Why? Because all the indicators are rolling over. And I know this is still a quote-unquote buy right now. And I know it's still got a bullish look to it. But, gosh, I feel like this thing is going a little too far, a little too fast, and needs to pull back. That's just the way I see it. Could it keep going? Yeah, it could. But it's done a lot already, y'all. It's done a lot already, okay? So just be mindful of that. It's in the wait a minute zone. So wait a minute. Fair enough? Good. Mysterium. All right. Mysterium went all the way up. Hey, man. Remember when I made a Mysterium node video? And I said, hey, everybody, this coin is whatever price it was in the video, 70-something cents. You should probably buy it before it goes up in value. You remember that? Hey, I remember that. And then look what happened. Up in value. It's almost like the videos that get made. It's almost like the videos that get made actually come to fruition. Crazy, right? Crazy. Crazy, bro. Crazy. So, anyway, a little bit at a time here. Mysterium's made its move all the way up the take profit lines. Similar situation as Flux. It's fallen into the wait a minute zone, which is the zone right above the 21 EMA, but below the 8 EMA. Similar situation, okay? It's kind of stuck right here. So let's wait this out and see what it does. It's not a buy or a sell. People are asking for XRP. Same nasty situation on XRP. It blew through too many lines at one time. Now it's fallen under the 50 and 100 moving average at the same time. Now, it doesn't typically do that, And because of that, I think this is going to bounce back up eventually. May take a little bit. Again, may take a little bit. But it shouldn't have failed this hard this fast. Look at how tight those moving averages were together for the last several days. It's a very interesting look. You don't see that very often, okay? So it's an odd look. Left a like, turned on notifications. Thank you, brother. Tuned SI. You're the man, brother. Thank you. Hope to see you back on Thursday. Yes, sir. We'll be Tuesday. Or Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. We'll be back on Thursday. If we pull the fib from here and go to the top, what do we see? We're under the 618. It looks like it's coming back toward $1 here on XRP. Could it hold that? Very much so. Under the pivot, I don't like that. That was at $1 flat or $1.09. Almost $1.09, I'm sorry. Need to get back over that $1.09. That needs to happen rapidly. It's at the R3 weekly. That's good. And if we take this Fibonacci retracement sequence off, then we see that there's a big, huge trend line right here. Okay? Haven't broken it yet. Need to break it. You almost did, but you didn't. Okay? You could even say it's up there. However you want to draw this. One way or the other doesn't matter. You're coming up with the same formula here. We're holding the R3. We're holding the 821. Let's see a bounce, though, and this thing needs to bounce rapidly. I don't want to see this month end off like this because that's not a great look. This is not a good-looking candle for a month right here, okay? We need this to flip back around to green, which means it needs to be at least $1.12 or $1.13, right? I'm just being straight with you. I don't like to bullshit anybody. Gala node's making about $69 a day right now, $60. Good enough, brother. I'll take it. Algorand. I got you, Ali. Similar situation on Algorand, throwing a really, really ugly candle. We want to see this flip back around. It did not like that midline of that channel at all. Look at that. Just died on that midline. I'd like to see it get back over that 8 EMA at $1.82. Hasn't quite gotten there yet. And if it can, we can get back up there and test 246 again. We're roughly 250. Hey, one thing at a time. This is still on support. You see the support line. That is right here. Right about there. Support line. We're bouncing right off of it. Not bad. Okay. I just want to see it improve from this. I don't want it to be left at this ugly candle. I'd like to get some nice clean candles here. Okay. Starl. Oh, it's Starlight. Yeah. People were talking about that one. This Starlink. Yep. This chart's frozen. Doesn't make sense. Yeah, there we go. Straight bullish. Hasn't given you a sell signal yet. I don't know if this is the correct chart. Is that on the better exchange? So we got OKX. Yeah, see, it's all up there. I don't have a good chart for this one. I hate to try to chart that live. I don't have a good chart. I need to look at that one some more. Solana. A lot of people are Solana fans. A lot of NFTs are rug pulls on the Solana platform, by the way. We found that out. Maybe y'all knew that already, but we didn't. So broken trend line, moved up just like Strong. And here we are. The similar situation as Strong, where you're under R1 and you're rolling over. Looks like this wants to head back to the 50 MA, the yellow line right here on the daily. So I'm assuming it's going to head back there. One step at a time, though. If it breaks that, it's got the pivot to catch at $1.86, and there is support there. So we're on a downtrend, but it's a short-term downtrend. Nobody panic. IOTA. Can't say it. I almost forgot about IOTA. We'll do... There we go. Yeah. IOTA hanging in there. All the moving averages balled up real tight. Oh, this one's messy, isn't it? Okay, that's better. Now I can see that it's driving sideways here. Big, huge wedge. Need to break. Hasn't broken yet. Gosh, look at that. Tight wedge. right there. Man, it needs to break first. I'm not going to go here until it does. And it's close though. Just boiling. Indicators are driving sideways. Get going. If as soon as it can get going, that's a good thing, but it hasn't done it yet. And it is sitting in the take profit zones right here. 1618, 1414, 1272. All this was a big take profit zone. So a good bounce here would be great. Who knows? I don't want to try to over guess this one here. When I see this thing break this trend line, I would feel more comfortable, but not right now. You're welcome, Page Master. OLT, got you, Frank. Is that okay? I got you. Let's see. OLT. Man, one ledger took off. Look at that. Whoo. Looks like it ran up to take profits. Yep, right at 1414. Clearly parabolic. Does it have another one in it? If it does, we're looking at 12 cents, but right now we're stuck under 8. All the indicators are pegged. This thing performed against Bitcoin very well. This is where IOTEX was sitting right here, the same spot, just sitting there boiling. Okay. This one, however, reacted afterwards and went parabolic. So this is what I would like to see IOTA do. IOTA sounds like a fraternity. Oh, God. Oh, boy. Start chart. Oh, I already did it. We didn't know. Time. Wonderland. All right. First and foremost, I never buy anything with something that's got a name like Wonderland. Does that really sound like something I want to be involved in? Leave that to be desired, okay? I'll let other people handle high interest staking. It's just not my thing. See, I got different prices for Wonderland everywhere. If I can get it here. Wonderland. Yeah, nope. No dice there. So the best charts I got are here. I'm just going to have to work with what I got. And that's daily. Let me go to this other one. Yeah, that's going to have to work. So, hanging out over the 821, bouncing back and forth. Really gnarly, weird candle here. All the indicators are driving sideways or down, but it's over all the moving averages. So this one gets tricky. It's technically not a sell right now. It's barely a buy. So it's right on the edge of failure one way or the other. So let's be very careful here, okay? Cloud driving sideways. Looks like it's a possible sell here. I wonder if this one's going to fall back to the 50 moving average like a bunch of other ones have. All right, that very well could happen. Right here where it falls back to this 50 moving average. Maybe 70, 100. That would be the first time it ever fell under the 21 EMA, though. Look at that. Been riding that 21 EMA for a damn minute. Wonderland was a movie about that Holmes dude. Stupid. Any recommendations on hardware wallets? Ledger Nano is good. Yeah, I have a Ledger Nano right here. It works okay. I keep USDC on it that I save, my savings account. Wonderland is a rebase and staking Ohm. Yep, of course. So is Hector. So is John Dow, and so is another couple of ones I found. They're all copies of Ohm. Just be very careful. I'll say that, okay? Be very careful. What if you lose the hardware wallet? Well, you don't have it anymore. That's why you should put it in your safe. I have a safe sitting right here. The Keystone Pro is awesome. Tamper protection, no wireless connectivity, and 100% air gapped. People say the Trezor is pretty good also. The Trezor wallet. I think Jeremy has a Trezor wallet. Some people like them, some people don't. Okay? It's all good. All right. 5 minutes left. Let me talk to you guys for a second. Again, got the new website up right here. Haven't finished it. bear with me. I'll get some more stuff added to it, some more stuff changed on it. It's just kind of rough draft, and I literally got the domain switched over a couple minutes before the stream started. But I'll have live classes on here. I'm not live classes, private classes on here. You can book them, pay for them, and everything. It'll all be through the website. We're working with more. We're going to be working on more than that, doing more than that. We'll get there though. I'll have posts on here about what's going on, potential meetups, potential other things that we've got happening, giveaways, whatever. It'll all be on the website here. Just bear with me, okay? A little bit at a time. I'll get the ball rolling. We'll do a little bit more, take it a little bit farther, and take it a little bit farther, okay? Things are getting big over here on my end, making big moves. This website goes with the new business that'll be opening up, and it'll be officially started on Thursday. I've filed all my paperwork. I'm just waiting on everything to come back. Officially Thursday, I should be ready to rock. So then I'm my own man, okay? I'm my own man. What am I doing for a living? Well, I'm doing this, which is what you see right now. And then I'm going to be doing private classes, private TA classes for anyone who would like them. I've already booked up December, January, and November. November, December, January are all booked up. I've got February partially booked up, and I put a pause to it. And why did I pause it? I paused it on purpose. Okay? I want to give everybody a second to take some classes and see what you think, and maybe you come back and like more. And if you don't like more, that's fine. Also, right now, the private classes are $100 a piece. That'll be going up to $200 at the first of the year. Why? Welcome to supply and demand, everybody. The higher the demand, the more the cost. Fair? Fair. Okay? Haven't gotten there yet. We will be, though, a little at a time, all right? So, things are changing rapidly. I'm not going anywhere. I'll still be here doing these live streams because this is what I enjoy doing. This is what I enjoy thinking of. This is what I enjoy working with, okay? Hey, man, as long as y'all keep showing up, we're going to keep growing, okay? We're going to get bigger and bigger and bigger here, all right? Things are growing rapidly, really, really rapidly. Me and Nick were talking about this today. What's going on? Things have gone so rapidly and went so good. I want to ride the highs, but I understand there may be lows, okay? So same thing for you guys. There may be lows. Now, I'll end it off with this. I appreciate everybody coming. Let's talk. Let's try to say bye to some people over here. Great job, Keith. Glad I was able to drop in. Until next time, I see you, Papa Nick Fresh. I love all your content. Thank you, Jenny Chu. I think we got a private class together coming up soon. Thank you for dropping by. I appreciate it. T-Dub says, happy Thanksgiving. Get away, put down those phones and be safe. He's dead on the money. Take some time to say thank you to your family. Take some time to say thank you for what you got, and don't worry about what you don't got, okay? Danny's exactly right. All right? Any upcoming projects excite you? Not right now. 73 strong. Thank you very much. Have a great night, everybody. I appreciate everything. Y'all be good. I'll see y'all on the next stream. Thank you so much. And I'll leave you with this very last thing. Like Notorious B.I.G. said, okay? You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're not. You're here with me. And I appreciate that. Thank you, everybody who's here.